So, somebody asked me a question on my DM. Mouse and Wacom tablet, which one is better? Uncle, this thing is very easy. See, your mouse, when you start moving your mouse, it works as a mouse. So it can give you the ability to want to retouch. But remember, a Wacom tablet was made for a retouching purpose. A Wacom tablet is not a mouse. A Wacom tablet, his work is to make sure, the pen like this. You hold the pen the way you sketch on paper and start shading. Because what you're doing on your Wacom tab actually is just shading. You're just shading, you're drawing lines. So the brush now, if the brush is small, it will not draw small strokes. If your brush is big, it will not give you big strokes. So it enables you want to move and touch the person's face very well. And somebody asked another question. The Wacom tablet that you're using, the one without screen and the one with screen, which one is better? They work two different ways. You have a big screen in front of you. You can be shading, and when you're shading, you are just moving your hand. Now, for those persons that are doing cartoons and the rest, they prefer the one that has screen so they can draw and be looking at it. I bought the one with screen and the one without screen so that whenever I feel like using any one of them, I'll use them. But I use more of the one with screen. So I have two options. Is that the one with screen, I can still be looking at my screen while I'm working, or I can be looking at the screen here. The beautiful thing about the one with screen is you can shift it close to yourself and be using this part to touch the controls while you shade. You start shading like this. You just be shading. When you finish shading, you just use your mouse, your keyboard, or whatever, or you can just hold down your space bar in your system and use this as your moving tool to move it to the next area you want to paint, and you start painting again. So till tomorrow, I will tell you, if you are a retoucher, leave the mouse alone and get yourself a Wacom tablet, no matter how small it is. Trust me.